Hello everybody. So let's just get the elephant out of the room straight away. I am quitting karting, and it's going to be a tough decision for me to do. Well, I mean, I've already made the decision, but it's going to be tough for me to commit to that decision. But I believe it's final. It's done. I think it's definitely Karting Australia that's really pushed me over the edge to finalise this decision. It's been in the back of my head for a while, but I needed karting in my life and I couldn't get rid of it, and I think Karting Australia New South Wales has pushed me over the edge just to commit to that decision that was in the back of my head. I won't get too much into it in this video and the next video because the decision didn't come from this race. I was racing at Tamworth and things happened there. I will explain it in detail because I'm not going to beat around the bush, but I will explain it in those videos. But I just want to let you know that this will be the fourth last video that I will do for karting. I'm thinking I might do videos of like vlogs to paint. I might do helmet painting vlog videos. I'll lose a lot of subscribers because obviously they're here for karting, but hey, I apologise in advance, but things go in different directions and I don't want to give up on helmet painting. So we'll talk about this video. I'm still in last place and we're going to get a green light here. I try to go in the middle, a bit tight there, but I'm able to squeeze past the guy that was in front of me. I'm able to squeeze past. Or am I going to get past him? I do get past the guy that was on. Oh, no, I don't. Sorry. So I only got one position there, and I'd say that was a fairly clean start. It's a bit cutthroat being at the back and being the fastest. You want to try and get through the field as fast as possible. So I wanted to get through more at the start, but I was surprised I got past the guy in front of me, being in the position that I was in the middle of the track at the start of the race. And I want to get past number 54 as soon as possible because I do know that I am faster. I don't want to be held up that much. So start of the race, we're going to be a bit safe because tyres are cold, engine's cold. We want to make sure that we don't do any irrational moves that's going to cause an accident or cause me to come off. So we're just looking here and there. We're going to put our nose up beside him to show him that we're there and that we want to pass. We weren't going to make that pass because we were a bit far behind. He does make a mistake there. I was too far behind there. I've caught right back up. I think he broke there. I'm not sure. I think he made a mistake there and broke, and I accidentally hit him up the rear. That wasn't intentional. I wasn't expecting to brake on that corner, in the middle of the corner, so we fall a bit behind there because I did brake, still hitting him. I did brake, and that's not where you want to brake there. And want to make sure we try and keep on the back of him because on the straight here we want to get in that slipstream. Looks like I made a mistake in that corner and I lose more space, so we want to make sure that we don't fall too far behind, otherwise we're going to lose first place. He's already pulled very far ahead. You can see that we're slowly catching back up again. Tyres are going to start getting warm and in optimal heat range. So once again we're pretty close to his bumper. We can see that we are faster than him here. People in front of him aren't pulling away, so that's also good. We're on his bumper again. We're going to try and make a move up onto this hill. I am fairly slow on the hill, so I don't expect to get a move. He does make a mistake there, not hitting apex. I go on the outside of him and I try to go wide to get a better exit. I do, but I'm still a bit too far behind. You can see that I'm just gutting him down at the end of the straight. Too far behind to make a pass there as well, so we're just not as close as we want to be in the right moments. And I'm not too stressed because I can see that the other karts aren't pulling away. It's only first place, so if they were starting to pull away, I'd be starting to get a bit stressed. and I'd be trying to desperately make a move. But here, I can still see that they're not pulling away. I bump him there. I'm not sure he broke, but I just caught right up to him unexpectedly. And you can see that he does pull away there, and I can't make a pass. I'm looking, I'm thinking, make an opportunity. I put my nose in, bring out my shoulders, and I get that pass completed. So I was a bit far for that pass, but I could see there was a bit of a gap, and I'm instantly straight onto 75. I want to make a pass as soon as possible. A little bit far behind here, not catching up too much in that corner. It's a good corner for me, so we're still sticking with him. We want to make sure that we're onto the back of him after the chicane. And you can see that I think he makes a mistake, and I just get a much better exit on that chicane. I'm able to get that pass done on the straight. Not a common pass there, but if someone does make a mistake on the exit of that chicane, you can get a good little slipstream and an advantage. This number 4 makes a mistake there, gives me the advantage to get a pass done on him. So got 3 passes done in one lap. That's very good to see. You can see that they were holding me up a little bit. As long as I did those passes successfully without any accidents, which I did, is what you want to see. So we want to gun this person down and just get some clean air from behind us, and we want to make sure that we don't make any mistakes, because here, if you make a mistake here, it's your own fault. Like you're not gonna have anyone behind you. In my mind, I'm not going to have anyone behind me giving me pressure, because I know that I am faster than them, and I've got no one in front of me to pass. So I'm in kind of the no man's land. So making a mistake here would mean that it's just my own error, my own fault. Right, so I am catching up to number 81 here. You can see that I am catching up. He does defend this corner here. Gives him a bit of a bad exit. Gives him a much cleaner exit to go on the inside of him. Just had that speed to get that pass done. So almost four passes in one lap. So I'm pretty happy. Oh no, sorry, no. There's 3 passes in one lap, and that was the next lap. So I'm pretty happy with that. It was nice, clean passing. All, I can't think of the word I was going to say. I don't even think that's a word. I was going to say concession. That is a word, but that's not the word that I was thinking of. All in sequence, like one after the other. I'm not great with words. So I was happy with those passes. It kind of gave me a little bit of a confidence boost, and now I'm just gunning down first place. He is about a straight ahead of me. I couldn't quite see that time there. I think I have 3 minutes left. I didn't quite see the time on that time board. So not really much else is going to happen in this race. It's just me gunning down first place. I do catch up to him. He's very far in front, and I think that's pretty much it. I can get close to him, but not enough time, and he's a fast driver, so I'm pretty happy with the results in this race. And yeah, it was fun. It was very fun going from the back and working my way through the field. I'm definitely going to miss it. I still didn't see the time. I'm blind, man. I'm so blind. Yeah, definitely going to miss this. It's great. It's if you're watching these videos wanting to get into karting, look, I'm not going to I'm not going to badmouth karting. I don't really want to badmouth the association that runs karting. All I'm going to say is, if you have the money, give it a try. If you don't love doing it, get out of it straight away, because the money you put into it, you lose everything else. Like, you can't get a house, you can't get pets, you can't take your girlfriend, your fiance, your wife out. Like, you lose a lot. You lose a lot of time after hours. Like, I was in the garage most of my time outside of work hours. You just, even if you're doing it casually, you really commit to it. And if you can see here that I was a bit worried about going underweight. I don't know why. It was weird because I put a lot less fuel in for this race meeting than what I usually do, and I was still a kilo overweight, so it was very weird. But yeah, look, I'm not happy with the associations that run karting in Australia. I don't believe some of the things they do. I understand that they're trying to adapt to the softer generation, and look, all I can say is, back when I was 7 years old, it was way more chaotic, and there was still more friends on the field and with the stewards than what there are now. So yeah, next week we'll have the finals up.